What if I tell you that 99% win rate can be possible with this reversal trading strategy, and that can be used in all time frames and all types of markets? Before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. Ladies and gentlemen, open up your empty TradingView chart and head over to indicators tab, then search for reversal signals and you will see indicator from Lux Algo. Click that to your chart. And after you add the indicator, you will see that your chart has some support and resistance lines as well as some signals appeared on your chart. Now head over to settings tab, then go to style and do it as you see it on my screen, and disable this and disable that, disable and disable all of this, and we will have 4 check left on our style tab. And head over to inputs tab and change the display phases completed and check the support and resistance levels and uncheck those if you have checked it already. So hit OK, and believe it or not, that's it. That's the only indicator that we will use it today in our strategy, because this strategy is all about reversal points, which means that support and resistance line. We will aim for the best entry and best exit. Let's see that if we can do this. As you see on my screen that we are trading Dow Jones today. Yes, and my time frame is 5 minutes, but you can use this strategy on any time frame, literally any time frame and any type of market. So let's see this example. We got this support line, right? Which means that there is a support level, and we got this buy signal from this indicator, and the condition is this buy signal must close to the support line, so which is here, right? The support line is here, the buy signal here. This is a good condition and we can take long position here, and our stop loss is in this strategy just below the support line in case of anything, right? Because if the price goes below that, the position is invalid, we out of the position, and the take profit is the resistance line. Look at this, you will take out your position in the resistance line, and you can see also here easy resistance lines appeared on your chart. So this strategy has only this rule, and this has a crazy win rate. Yes, go and test it yourself and you will believe me after that. But what you can do is, of course, you can add some of your favorite indicators on your chart, but I would like to make a simple video, easy video, and go and use it, go and test it by yourself. And let's see one more example where we will take a short position. Now let's look at a short example here. We got the resistance line here, right? This time the rules are the exact opposite. You will take a short position, the nearest position of the sell signal. The sell signal must close to a resistance point. That way we will increase our win rate. If the sell signal or the buy signal away from the support or resistance line, your win rate will decrease. Make sure that these signals are very close to these lines. So let's look at this example. You take a short position here and you will write your trade until the support line is touched, and you will put your stop loss just above the resistance line, right? Just here. So you will get a high risk reward ratio here, guys. So make sure you always use stop loss and take profit. I hope you enjoyed this strategy. Go and use it, go and add it to your chart. It's free to use, and thank you for watching this video. I will catch you in the next one. Take care of yourself and bye for now.